Hello, hello, good evening, everybody. Muy buenas noches. This is Meagan Birds coming to you live from the streets of San Miguel de Allende. It is the last day of the continuous line selfie, and you made it. We all made it, right? Oh my God, this was truly the longest month of the year. And so I just want to have a big round of applause for everyone who was courageous enough and brave enough and dedicated enough to not only do the continuous line selfies, but to do one every day for 31 days, right? OMG. I'm right there with you in that it was just it was challenging. It was super hard. I just am out here on the streets of San Miguel de Allende, nighttime, right? Like I'm usually always morning time. And I decided I want to change up my live streams, and so I'm out here at night. I don't think I'll want to do this, especially on a Friday night, but because I'm here. Here, take a look-see. I'm right here at the corner Don Rincon, and there's mariachis and taco trucks, and oh my God. Oh, look who's here too. Hey, Gitch. Hey, look who's here. I think this is your first live stream, isn't it? Gidgy came into town tonight, and so we're having a hot date here in the Centro Histórico of San Miguel de Allende for the final night of, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to switch over here because I think the lighting is going to be better. Let's see how it is over here. Ooh, it's kind of dark and mysterious, isn't it? Well, I think the lighting is a little bit better, and you get a little bit of the Jardín ambiance, right? So, I'm pretty delighted that this challenge is over. I heard from a number of people of just like how unexpectedly information packed, right? Like there was just a lot. It was a journey for almost everyone who did it, in the sense that like they didn't expect to learn the things that they did, right? And I'm right there with you too, because I have talked about I always think my head is huge, and it's actually, especially with long hair, it's pretty narrow. I'm just going to rearrange their whole dining room here. Actually, let's go out here. Let's go out. Let's get some evening ambiance. I'm going to go over here. Can I get mi cuenta, por favor? I'm just going to sit here for un momentito, okay? Para pagar. All right, I'm going to get the best seat in the house as I pay my bill. Sí, por favor. The lighting is much better here. Oh, and my dog, too. I need my dog. Forgot I have a dog. Gracias. Oh, yeah, the light, la luz is mucho mejor. And look, there's the parroquia también. Oh, I even left my sketchbook there. Gracias. And then mi cuenta también. So, yeah, I just did my final selfie of the night, of the month, right? Here we go. Woohoo! I came out tonight to do some urban sketching, and I did do some urban sketching, and I forgot my paintbrushes. So, I forgot my dog, too. I'll get my dog. I left my dog over there. Hi, darling. Come here. Yeah. Come here, doggy. Gidget. Gidget, yeah. Yes, gracias. No, es perfecto, gracias. So, no, está bien, gracias, yeah. I came into the Jardín to do some urban sketching, and I forgot all my brushes. So I had to do some finger painting. And so here we got I was watching the big mariachi, and he just helped these folks get engaged. And then he was standing and looking at me, and he's like, "You want a song?" I'm like, "No, I don't want a song." So I did a little sketch of that whole scene, and then I came over here to do my my final selfie for the night. And so there it is. There it is, here at Don Rincon de Don Tomas, right here in the evening. I totally abandoned my table, left my dog over there, left everyone over there. So anyways, what I want to say to you all is muy felicidades gracias for completing your 31 days of selfies. Look, I even got my ajalote who's right there. Wait a minute, let me get him. I want you to be able to see him. There he is. And there he is. OMG. And look at that with the church, right? Oh, I'm going to have to get a photo of that right there, because look at that. Ajalote, ajalote. Here's my little crystal pendant. Here's my little round earrings. And then my headband, because it's still pretty hot here. And so, felicidades. Congratulations to everyone who completed the 31-day continuous line selfie challenge for the month of May, because I get it. It was brutal, and it was the longest month, and everyone did such interesting things. And I heard from so many of you that said that one of the most inspiring things about it was like not only what you learned about drawing yourself and accepting your age and wrinkles and blemishes and all that, but just what other people were doing, right? The other mediums that people were doing, you know, whether it was gouache or watercolor or saturated inks or crayons or pencils or whatever, right? Like there were so many different mediums going on in addition to the, if you were like paying attention to anyone, you could see for the whole month how people were getting stronger in their lines. And I'm not about accuracy. It's not about, oh, I want to draw myself perfectly. But there is something to be said for, like, with a continuous line, or even just drawing in general, if you can more efficiently get a representation of yourself or whomever it is you're drawing, right? First of all, it's a good feeling, and it's also, so it's satisfying, but it's also, like, it's super skilled, right? Like, we are a group of artists that practice our drawing a lot. So many of us are dedicated to our craft, and it shows, right? The quality of our drawings, the quality of our paintings, the quality, those of you in the Zoom fundamentals, the quality of your 15-minute sketches. Like, I mean, would anyone believe that what we're doing in 15 minutes is just 15 minutes, right? Because there's such high-quality sketches, high-quality drawings, high-quality compositions, fearless, right? So again, bravo to all the brave artists out there. Bravo, bravo, bravo. I'm honored and delighted to be a part of such a strong and dedicated group of artists. It's really thrilling for me, especially as I'm like trying to venture into new arenas, to know that I have, like, I'm going to say I have such a strong community of artists, right? Like, it's really, I'm super proud of it, and I'm super honored to be witness to everyone's progress. All right, everyone. So I have an idea for next month, but I think tomorrow is June 1st, but I'm going to sleep on it, okay? So I'll be back tomorrow somehow, some way, with some sort of an announcement. It feels like a lot of you want another drawing challenge, and I'm like, boy, I kind of thought everyone would want a little break, right? Like take a break for a month. And I am going to be traveling, and I've got some workshops in San Francisco and Long Beach. I was like, yeah, I'll take a month off, and then July I'll be back at it. But you know, I'm going to sleep on it, and maybe I'll come back tomorrow. If any of you listen to this or hear this and you have any ideas of what you want to do for the month, you know, even just whether it's this month or in a future month, what kind of drawing challenges do you want to be a part of, right? All right, everyone. Thank you again so much for participating in the Continuous Line. Well, the Continuous Line Storytelling Group and the Continuous Line Selfie Challenge. Yeah, I'm going to keep going. This is a standing, well, it's not a standing ovation because I don't want to stand up because then my cord, whatever. Gidgy, come here. Come here, Gidgy. I want you to all... Oh, I can't pick her up. She's too heavy. Here, wait. Let's see if we can get Gidge in here. Gidgey, let's see. Where are you? Gidgey. Hi. Come on, look at the camera. She really has the thing about looking at cameras. She doesn't like to. She doesn't like making eye contact or looking at cameras. So, I mean, for my dog, yeah, I got to work on that because we got to do some marketing projects together. All right, everyone. Happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend. I'll be back with you tomorrow, June 1st. So, no more selfies for a little bit, okay? Muy buenas noches. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye, everyone.